There's a few great varietals that get me really excited. And one of those, unfortunately, has not been produced that much in the last couple of vintages. Well, there's a few reasons, and the main one is because it's not that winter hardy and very susceptible to winter kill. So this grape varietals has been pulled out of many of our best vineyards, replaced by Cab Franc, Merlot, or other grape varietals. And this varietal is Syrah. This is our day 29 of our challenge of tasting new Canadian wines every single day here on YouTube until we hit 8,000 subscribers. So if you like Canadian wines, hit the bell below and keep following what we're doing. So I have here the 2021 Roche Syrah. And what is special with that one is because it's not only it's my favorite kind of grape, but it's also from my very favorite region for that grape. Yes, this region is dry, has an extreme diurnal difference between the cold nights, the cold temperature of the nights, and the very warm the temperature during the day. It's windy, and it produces a very rustic style of Syrah. And this region is the Similkameen Valley. Yes, right next to the Okanagan. So you're down south where you have Oliver and Osoyoos, and if you go up half an hour, you're getting into a canyon where it's like National Geographic like, but it's filled with vines where they produce amazing Cabernet Sauvignon, great Chardonnay, Merlot, but also, to my opinion, some of the very best Syrah in the world. Yeah, okay, no, it's not the northern Rhone Valley, but here in Canada, they produce a rustic style of Syrah with dry tannin, a little bit of that beautiful floral note, that meaty nose, and a lot of spice. So let's taste it, because that wine won a gold medal at the All Canadian at the National Wine Line, has been very highly rated by other wine critics. So I want to give it a go. Okay, I love Similkameen Syrah. So let's see. That is that classic nose, floral, meaty, blue fruits, and I can smell the Christmas spice in there. Wow, beautiful. Okay, fermented in oak, transfer in a third of new, third first fill, and a third neutral. I'm expecting here a beautiful texture. Okay, let's see what's in there. Oh, the smoke, yes. Exactly what I was expecting. That dry tannin, we start like right up beginning at the mid palate and hold you there for a long time. Very good length, very good complexity, beautiful texture on the mid palate. I can feel the new oak. I mean, it's 2021, hot vintage with a long heat dome that we had here in Western Canada. Very tiny production. This is something like a 75 cases lot. So, wow. I would say this for $65, I give it a 94 points. Personally, one of the best that I've tasted this year. Complex, rich, powerful, that classic Similkameen profile, long length, and beautiful minerality. Almost some salinity on the back end, which I don't find often with red wine. So this is a rockstar wine. This is a beautiful job by Penelope Roche and Dylan Roche, and also a collaboration with Dwight Sick, another great winemaker of here in the Okanagan. So this is day 39 of our challenge of opening a different Canadian bottle of wine every single day here on YouTube until we hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you think that Canadian wines are world class, hit the bell button and please follow us.